What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is MrBrit and a very Merry Christmas to you. Well, Christmas was a couple of days ago, but you know what I mean. Today is a very different video to what I'm used to. And I apologise for the very bad audio. I'm literally just doing this on my phone because it's easy. Today, as you've seen in the title and thumbnail, I am trying American snacks. As you can see, I've got a big old box here of American snacks, so let's try this stuff. Okay, let's start it off with something simple. Red Vines. Apparently these are just worse Twizzlers, but these are original red and buttered popcorn. I'm not really a fan of licorice. Oh, that smells really good though. I'm not a fan of licorice, so there isn't much red in there, I'll be honest with you. If you look in there. So I'm guessing buttered popcorn. There's no flavour. Oh wait, there's something. What the hell? It's not at all buttered popcorn, but it's a really weird taste. I don't know how I feel about it. And you've got original red, which is just red licorice, I'm pretty sure. This is a lot softer than the buttered popcorn one. It does not taste good though, but that's weird. I don't know how Americans can eat this stuff. That is the weirdest thing I've ever tasted in my life. SpongeBob SquarePants Gallo gum. I'm not gonna do the gum right now. I think I'll save the gum to the end. So, Gallo gum. Hot Rage Flaming Lime Candy. They're like Nice. I thought they'd be like, I don't know if you've ever had them. There's these like cinnamon. Well, I don't know what it is. It's a cinnamon thing. It's cinnamon, that's all I know. They have it in England, but it should be spicy. Oh! There's a tiny kick. Like, it's not spicy. It would be for like little kids, but that's weird. It tastes a lot like lime flavored stuff, but it I don't know, it's like got a tiny little kick. Tango Shockers Sour Fizz Chew Bar. Now I know this is an American because it says 10p on it. And I don't know if they have Tango in America. But I've never tried the orange one of these before, so. But I have tried the cherry one, which I actually have right here. That's got a cherry tango. It's sticky. I don't know if you've ever tried it, people in England, but have you ever had a refresher? It's a bit like that. Slightly sour. I'd say sour fizz, to be fair. It's weird. It doesn't taste like orange tango, it tastes like orange. It's not orange tango though. Not a fan of it. Coffee Crisp. This is Canadian. This is we have, it's like, is it just a caramel bar? Ow. Oh my god. That is, it tastes like Weetabix. It kind of tastes like an oat bar, a little bit, and it's really crunchy. It's not bad. Look, I expected it to be wafer. It's very like Weetabix type, like it's very oaty. Okay, we have the Weeds Peach and Blue Raspberry. I don't know if you've ever had Nerds, but I'm guessing this is just Nerds. I'm guessing. I'm not having a load of these because I know that they are usually an odd texture, but there are the blue raspberry ones. It is just hard sugar. It is just Nerds. And then peach. We don't have much peach flavored stuff. I think we have like peach sherbet in England. Peach isn't really a strong flavor, so yeah, it's just Nerds, but a bit chewier. Okay, now this is something I want to try. gummy sushi. I'm not really a fan of sushi, so... Jesus Christ. It smells like a British thing. It's definitely not. Probably has red 40 in it. Oh no, it has even... Oh my god, it does. It has red 40. It has yellow 6, yellow 5, blue 1, and red 40. So it's definitely American. For those of you who don't know what red 40 is, we don't have it in England because what is it? Hang on, let me search. It isn't fully banned in the US, but concerns over hyperactivity in children, ADHD links, potential carcinogens like benzene byproducts, and DNA damage in studies, and allergic reactions for fuel bans in some regions, like California schools. And the stricter EU labelling may affect... Okay, so it's not banned. I thought it was banned in the UK. Okay, it comes with chopsticks. It's kind of sick. So, you've got like this little plastic thing, and you got your gummies. I have no clue what this one is. If you know, put it in the comments. It's okay. I don't really know what to say about it. This one's definitely salmon. I can see that. Tastes pretty similar. What flavours are they? It doesn't tell you. Another one of these ones. Again, tastes the exact same. No clue what this one is. Has it got like a little bit of corn on it, maybe? I don't know. I don't know what they serve with sushi, so... They all taste the exact same. That's the only problem I have with it. They don't taste great either. They have like a weird taste. I don't know how to describe it. I don't know how to describe it. This one looks like it has caviar on it. I don't know. That one was a lot nicer, I won't lie. And here we have the SpongeBob SquarePants one. It just looks like SpongeBob. Why won't it focus? Focus on the thing! There. Jesus Christ. Yeah. I think it all just tastes the exact same. Oh wait, no. That one's kind of banana-y. But it's like very artificial. You know, it is quite cool though. It has like it is quite cool. It has like a coloured thing. And I can see why a kid would like it, you know, this little gimmick where you stab it and that. But it doesn't taste great. Kids would love it, but it just doesn't taste nice. So it's good that I have a Sprite. An American Sprite. In England, our Sprites don't look like this, I don't think. I haven't had a Sprite in so long. There you go, you get a better look at the Sprite. Very weird can design. I'm not a fan of that. I'm also not a fan of lemonade. But, that's weird. You know, it is American, it has fluid ounces on it. It doesn't taste right. It doesn't taste like how I think Sprite would taste. That's weird. Limonade. It's just a Sprite, really. Like, it has a different taste, definitely. But at the end of the day, it's just a Sprite. I have already tried these. And these aren't actually American. These are something else. Miskets. Mini Dubai style cones. I have already tried these, as you can see. I tried these when I first saw them because I've actually never had Dubai chocolate. And I'm glad I haven't tried it before because genuinely, these are some of the worst bits of chocolate. Look at how small it is, by the way. Look at how different the top looks. It just doesn't look right. And just isn't good. It really isn't. The white chocolate is so overrated, it's ridiculous. No, it's so mid, it's just chocolate. Oh. Okay, now I'm almost certain this is English. Only because it is a Kit Kat Chunky, which I don't know if they have in America, and it's Rolo, which I also don't think they have in America. Oh no, this might be Canadian. This might be Canadian. It says, have a break, have a Kit Kat. Fittest la pause, Kit Kat. So, ooh. Okay. Oh. It's okay. I don't really know what to say. It's just a Kit Kat with a bit of, like, caramel in it. I think that's what's in Rolo. But yeah, it's nice, I guess. Oh god. Fizzy bottle candy. Sherbet. And it's great flavoured. I just don't like sherbet. I really don't like sherbet. It's okay. I'm not a fan of it. I don't like grape flavoured stuff either. So, that's a pass. What is this? Whoa. New Trolley Fluffy Soft Gummy Sour Liquid Filling Flavor Bomb Mango. Okay, so they come like a little plastic container. And it is soft in all fairness, from what I can see. Okay, so we just peel it open. Now, oh. Ugh. That is the weirdest texture in my... Ugh. Ooh, it smells really funky. It smells like really, really, really funky mango. Oh, fuck it. It's not sour. I don't like that gummy though. I don't like the gummy. Alright, it's disgusting. No. That's disgusting. Okay, we have hopefully something that tastes better. Goldfish cinnamon graham, or graham crackers as they say in America. Whoa, what the hell? Yeah, so it's, oh, there's two. Oh, it does taste like cinnamon. Little goldfish. I like the goldfish cheese crackers. But this is, oh, that one's broken. A graham cracker snack. And it's cinnamon, so. It's not bad. Not good either. Yeah. very like plain. I know that it is just a cinnamon thing, but like they serve stuff like this at my primary school where it had like icing on it at least, but that's just not a good snack. That's Pepperidge Farm as well. Jesus Christ, they usually do good stuff. That's probably one of the better things that I've had today though. It tastes nice. It's altogether quite good. It's a bit dry, just a bit too hard as well. Well, I guess if we're staying on track with cookie type things, M&M Chip Deluxe by Keebler. So apparently this is made with M&Ms. There is not a single M&M on that. I just want to point that out. That is just a chocolate chip cookie. Okay. Alright, that one does have M&Ms in it. It's just a cookie. Alright. It's not bad. I think it suffers with the same problem that the goldfish cracker did. It's just dry. It's just really dry. That's the only problem with it. It would be good with like a small glass of milk, or yeah, just like something like that, just something that can go with it. But other than that, it's not bad. From one chocolate to another, we have a Milky Bar Chew, which I know is American because we don't have Milky Bar Chews in England. So, oh whoa, that is white. Milky Bars are not white chocolate in England. Yeah, it's just a Milky Bar, but with white chocolate. Actually, not bad. This could get served in the UK. I think we had something similar, but it wasn't bought enough. I wasn't expecting white chocolate from a Milky Bar. Our Milky Bars are just plain chocolate. And it has the same like white filling on the inside, but it's just chewier. I think our last gummy. Yeah. Gummy nachos and dip. Right, I'm not taking that fully off because I probably won't finish these and I want to put the lid back on. If you're British, you've probably had something like these before. These like little gummy pizzas that they sell in like corner shops and stuff, and they are banging, and this is basically what it feels like. And then you've got like nerds, I guess, and the gummy sauce. So bon appetit. I like my cheese drippy, bro.
I like my cheese drippy, bruh.
I'm meant to dip it in both. Okay. Yeah, nerds. Again, the gummy's really hard to chew. Also, I didn't get any sour sauce. Oh god, I feel sick. Wow, it just hit me. Right. These are just little pizzas, by the way. Look at that. Wait. I can't really see it. If you can see that. Hello. Let me get out of the way. There. You look at that. It has like a pizza design on it. It's really weird. Right, let's get some sauce. It's like again, if you're British, you probably had these. It's like a little tube of paste that had like a sour sauce in it. It's basically just that, but a bit more runny. I'm not a fan of the gummy nachos and dip. Okay, it's not a sweet. Combos stuffed snacks. Pepperoni pizza baked cracker. Filling made with real cheese. It doesn't sound yummy. Let's give it a go. Oh, it smells rancid. Okay, let me get a better looking one. That does not look very yummy. Ugh, it's like sticky. Well, No. Oh. You're telling me kids enjoy that? Oh. That's really weird. Oh. Oh. That tastes weirdly like pizza. And I don't like it. What's in it? Tomato powder. Red 40, obviously. Beef fat. That is... No way is it made by Wrigley. Wait. Yep, there it is. It's not this exact bag. They do them in bigger bags. But they actually sell this stuff. They have a pretzel one. A baked cracker one, which is the one I have. The pretzel one looks better, it's just cheese. They also have a pickle one. Oh, it just doesn't look good. But that's, okay, so it I don't even want to know. The people that make Mars and stuff made this. That's disappointing. Okay, this is the last candy. Yeah. And it's a Red Bull hard candy. So, they make Red Bull gum. I know that in like, I think it's like Hong Kong. They come in like little Werther's original packs. Oh, it is a different language. Xinjiang, what's that? What is Xinjiang? So, yeah, they just make stuff like this a lot. Okay. That looks pretty good, actually. It's very orange. Let's hope it gets rid of the pizza taste in my mouth. Whoa. That tastes exactly like Red Bull. Has it got Red Bull in it? Wait, it tastes like almost exactly like a Red Bull. Which is kind of crazy. I wonder if it has like a juice on the inside. Let's see. Ooh. Nope, I think it's hard all the way through. Ah. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just hard. That's probably the best product of today. Red Bull hard candy. Who would have known? The very last thing. Family made in the UK. Hers crisp and tasty. Potato chips, patatas fritas. Okay, so there isn't a flavour, which is worrying. And the ingredients just say potatoes, vegetable oil, contains one or more of the following: corn, cottonseed, soybeans, sunflower, and salt. So I think it's just ready salted. Yeah, it's just ready salted. It's a lot softer than that. Like, it tastes like when you like open a bag of Walkers or Lay's if you're American and leave it out for like a day. It's like slightly soft. But yeah, pretty good. Yeah, I almost forgot. Gallo gum, SpongeBob. There is something very hard in here, which I don't trust.
2,000 years later.
There we go. Okay. We're kind of in. Is that green? It's green! When does this go out of date? 17th of January. It smells horrendous. Doesn't smell like raspberry. Okay, here we go. No. 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 My body wants to run. No. That's not right. That's not right. Oh. That's worse than the pizza stuff. Where's my Red Bull candies? I need one of these to get better taste in my mouth. That was horrendous. That is not raspberry at all. And it like, most of it isn't gum. Like it says it's gum. You just swallow all the powder in it and then, ugh. Yeah, so the most like branded thing here, like probably the biggest brand here, disgusting. And then the Red Bull is probably the best. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell because it really helps me out, and I'm not gonna be sick. Bye.